Hello! In this figure, we have a rectangle inscribed in a right triangle. If this length is 2 units and this one is 7 units, then what is the area of the rectangle? To get the area of this rectangle, we simply need to multiply 2 and 7, so the area will be 14. But now let's see why we need to multiply these two numbers to get the area. Take a look at these two yellow triangles. These two triangles are similar because they have the same shape but different sizes. In similar triangles, the corresponding angles are equal. For example, both these angles are right angles. This angle is equal to this angle, and this one is equal to this one. And if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. Now let this side of the rectangle be x and this side y. Then we can write that the left side of this triangle divided by the left side of this triangle equals the bottom side of this triangle divided by the bottom side of this triangle. So that is 2 is to y as x is to 7. Then in this equation, if we use cross multiplying, we will write that x times y equals 2 times 7. So again, x times y equals 2 times 7. Now on the left side, the product x times y represents the area of the rectangle. And this area equals 14. So we found the area of the rectangle, and this area is 14 square units. Thank you for watching.